Do you know many people are having trouble with powering off and connecting their JBL Boombox too? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this.
Let's start.
Step 1. Disconnect power. Ensure your Boombox 2 is not connected to any power source. Step 2. Hold power button. Press and hold the power button for at least 10 seconds to force a power off. Step 3. Check battery. Check the battery level and recharge if necessary. Step 4. Restart devices. Restart the speaker and the device running the JBL app. Step 5. Forget and reconnect. Forget the Boombox 2 from the Bluetooth settings and reconnect it. Step 6. Update firmware. Update the JBL app and the Boombox 2's firmware to the latest versions. By following these steps, your JBL Boombox 2 should now power off correctly and connect to the app. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other JBL users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.